Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frank Penalver. So the other day I was driving to my friend's house in Fort Worth and I saw a place that looked just like Adriatica. For those who don't know, Adriatica is this small neighborhood in Mckinney, which is my hometown. I'll put a link below, but it basically is modeled after a Croatian village. And I did that video a few months ago and I've never seen anything like it in the area until today. So like I said, the other day I was driving and this place caught the corner of my eye because I didn't think there was anything like it, and I decided to look it up online. And this place is actually called La Entrada at Westlake. So Westlake, which is the city that I'm at, and I had no idea there was a city in Texas called Westlake. But anyways, La Entrada at Westlake. La Entrada means the entrance at Westlake. And so looking it up online, this is actually modeled after a city in Barcelona, or the city of Barcelona. And honestly, looking at the architecture, it looks exactly the same as the Croatian architecture. So I'm gonna walk around. It's still under construction, but I'll show you guys around. To me, it looks almost exactly the same, but yeah, let's go look at it. So this place is actually a lot bigger than the Adriatica in Mckinney, Texas. I just happened to start at the part where there's a church back here. It looks like there's gonna be some retail or shops kind of up here, but there's not much to this section, so I'll probably walk to the other section here in a minute. All right, so the church isn't finished, so I can't go inside of it. To explore the other areas, I'm gonna have to drive because they are really far apart, at least for right now. So that's where I'm gonna get in my car and then we'll head to the other parts. Oh boy, I don't know if I'm gonna make this. All right. Oh man, that was scary. Oh, this light's not as bad. Okay, so as you can see behind me, and actually behind the camera, you can't see that. They have a bunch of houses built. They look just like the ones in Adriatica. I keep saying that, but there's a lot of them built. It doesn't seem like a lot of people are living in them yet. This one right here in the corner, right there, that's an open house, but they have a little closed sign. So I don't know if the real estate agent is gone or they're closed today because of COVID. I don't know. But I was gonna go in there and ask if I could look around just to show you guys what the houses would look inside, or look like inside. I did look online and these look like they're $1 million homes. So it's nothing I could afford, but they must be really pretty in the inside. But unfortunately, can't go in. So behind me is this Starbucks, and it looks like that might be the only thing that's open in the retail area. Back over here, there is like a daycare, it seems like, and a CVS. But other than that, that is gonna be just about it because I have to sit for a second. This camera gets heavy after a while. Aside from that, that's really gonna be it. It would be really, really interesting and neat to see it when it's actually developed and finished. I don't know when they started the project, so I don't know when it's going to finish either, but it was really cool to check out. It's obviously going to be very pretty. It's an hour away from where I live, so for me, I would rather go to Adriatica because it's kind of the same feel. But if you live closer to the Fort Worth area, Irving, Las Colinas kind of area in Dallas, then definitely come check it out because it's going to be really cool. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.